This is the most popular hotel lock, and this is also a Bluetooth smart lock. Okay, this is the lock model, and the lock body of this lock is like this. We call it US standard 5 latch lock body because there are 5 latches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 latches. This lock body is the most widely used in the hotels around the world. And now I show you how to install this lock body, this lock in the doors. We just you can take this, look at this like a hotel door, and we are ready, you know. So in the package of this lock, you can see this is a hose gauge. You can drive, you can dig the holes in the doors by this picture. Okay, we already dig the holes in the door, but I tell you how to use this paper, and put the paper in the door, and you can see there are holes in the paper. Means you need to dig the holes in the door 100% same to this holes on the paper. And so after you dig the holes on the door, you can install the locks. First, we need to install the lock body inside the door. We take the front panel. We take the front panel down from the lock. Two. So insert and insert the screws. All these screws are in the package, so you don't need to buy the screws yourself. And install the front panel. This front panel is made by the stainless steel. It is rustless. This is a very small screws. And now we need to install the cylinder. It is made by the brass. Install the cylinder into the lock body. Put it inside and use the key to test. Okay, you can see the deadbolt is out. It means the cylinder is in correct position. And we make it bang. This is the screws of the cylinder, a very small, tiny, blank one. There are 2 screws. And in the packet you will get a screwdriver. Insert the screws. Insert this cylinder is not a very easy job. You need to pay much attention. Here we go. Okay, let's test it again. Insert the keys and okay, it's working. So we put the keys away. This is the front panel. We put it in the surface of the door. But before you put it, there is a very, very important thing you need to pay attention to. Here, there are two screws. You make sure this is a small head, this is big. Make sure the big head will go inside the hole. Okay, press in, and the back side handle, the big head inside the hole. Okay, and now another very, very important thing you need to know. This small arrow, the arrowhead should be toward this position. Okay, should be toward the latch. Okay, and this arrow, this square hole with arrow, this face should be toward the outside of the door. Okay, look at the back side. There is no arrow, but only two small circles. This should be inside of the door. If you didn't install it correctly, the door lock will not work correctly. And now we connect the wire. Okay, connect the wire. Here we go. Here is a wire. Spindle should be inside. And now insert the spindle into the holes. And now the back side, the spindle inside. And this is another small spindle. This spindle is used to, you will know later. Look at very carefully. This small hole should be inserted into this hole. The two holes should be correctly. Okay, now I rotate. Okay, you can see this spindle is used to make sure the deadbolt is out. Double security. Now insert the screws. I'll tell you one thing. When you insert the screws, I think it will take you another maybe 10 or 20 minutes. It is not very easy. You need to find out the right hole. If you first time install it, I think it will take you about 5 minutes at least. Find out the hole. Yeah, you can feel it when you install the screws. You can feel the hole is just ahead. You can feel it touch. Okay, I got it. Don't screw it very strange, very tight, okay? Leave some space. Here is the wire. Okay, you can hear the beeps. You can hear the sound. Means the power is on. And now, why I told you we should not install these screws, because we need to put inside the battery hold first. Okay, now we install the screws. Very easy for me, but not very easy for you. Well, last one. Stress all the 4 screws. Here we go. And use the keys to test. Good, very good. And put back the keyholes. So the lock is installed very successfully.